Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to highlight text over an image in Google Docs. This is a quick and easy way to make your documents more creative and readable. First, open Google Docs and go to your document. Once it's ready, click on Insert in the menu, then choose Image. Select Upload from Computer and add the picture you want to use. After inserting the image, you can resize it by dragging the corners until it fits your layout. Next, click on the image and change the text wrapping option to Behind Text. This will allow you to type directly on top of the picture. Now, start typing your text over the image. To make it stand out, you can highlight it. Simply select the text, click on the Highlight Color tool, and choose a background color that contrasts with your image. This creates a clear highlight effect. Alternatively, you can change the text color itself if you prefer a cleaner look. Just pick a shade that makes your text pop over the image background. And that's it. You've successfully highlighted text over an image in Google Docs. This simple trick is perfect for making presentations, study notes, or creative documents look more professional and eye-catching.